strong bearish move yesterday on the gold against US dollar, which means bears have stepped inside the trading market, and we can see that they have managed to make a bearish breakout outside of this range area, which was set for the 3 days in the past. What we can see, it is a strong bearish candle that has to all the way from 2737.11, currently acting as a resistance area. Previously it was a demand zone, now reaching 2653.45, a next support level where we can see the price is currently at. So what we can make a conclusion, what could happen in the future. Now, because of the price has reached this support level with this strong move, we can see a strong support here, which is holding the price from leaving this area, moving towards the lower side, which is the lower support to 618.75. So I'm expecting that the price will hold for a while here, and we will see then will the price manage to make a bearish breakout below. This is most important to see on the lower time frames, but currently what I can see, there is a possibility that the price could bounce back up a little bit, going all the way back here around this area to 672, an area where is the first resistance level. We can see that it is currently a trend line acting as a resistance. So from there we'll see, will the price manage to make a bullish breakout above where the next level would be to 692, and then further on to the upper side. But on the lower side we can see that the critical level will be here to 647 in the lower side of this demand zone. If it breaks below, this means that the price will go all the way back here to around area to 632 first of all, and then the next one will be this support level around to 618. Now, because of this strong move, we can see that usually the price makes a retrace unless there is a strong selling pressure, and we can see currently there is no selling pressure because this area here is still holding because of the bias, much more stronger demand zone than it is a selling pressure. But this also could be a tricky, but for now I will watch on the 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame, share with the traders inside the Telegram how the price will behave, and will the breakout will be on the bullish side or the breakout will be on the bearish side. So this is all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.